Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2023 Ford F-150 Tremor. Coming in this nice antimatter blue coloring, this vehicle's going to be powered by that lovely 3.5-liter EcoBoost engine. Comes equipped with the increased ride height for all your off-road capabilities, and we do get a Bedliner with the nice short box on this vehicle. We do get a tow hitch receiver, rear park sensing, dual exhaust in the back, dual recovery hooks, backup camera, mud flaps on the rear and front with a lovely tailgate step. There's a better look at your bed, hooks and doodads, lights, Tremor gripped running boards with window deflectors. We do get keyless entry keypad, blind spot detection, turn lane spotlight indicated, side view camera, and moving to the front we got a black hood deflector, recovery hooks with front park sensing, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, yellow accents, plenty of door space in the back, upgraded B&O sound system, floor mats, carpeted interior, plenty of storage in the back here, cup holders, rear vents, heated back seats, 12-volt USB-C, 120-volt, and of course you can fold that down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. We got the B&O sound system in the headrest, the Tremor stitching into the leathering, the same yellow accents, powered front seats, pretty nice. Plenty of door space in the back, powered windows, mirrors, locks, you got power folding mirrors, memory seating for up to 3 drivers, spotlights, tailgate lights, parking brake, pedal adjusters, and a telescopic steering wheel column. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 96,305 kilometers. Got this nice leather up steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume voice, cruise control, digital speedometer, RPMs, distance to empty, all your usual with my view, trip and fuel, truck info, towing, navigation, phone, audio, and other settings. To my right, we do get a collapsible gear select with storage, cup holders, your wireless charging with outlets, which you can close for a nice sleek look. We got your center console as well with an interior work surface, perfect for food, laptop, paperwork, totally up to you. Storage below. We got our 4-wheel drive modes, and rear locking diff, trailer brake, pro trailer assist, dual climate up front with a heated and cooling front seats, heated steering wheel, 12-volt 120 storage above, below, on the dash with upfitter switches you can set up however you please. Your features for your twin panel moonroof, as well as your nice powered rear window opener. We got our garage door transmitter, auto stop, auto start, and 360 view of the vehicle. Different camera angles you can go through, park sensing, hazards, traction, and trail control. Media controls down here, and looking here we have our audio with AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. Phone controls. You have your navigation, search, reason, save, little red dot showing where your vehicle's been. Fave apps such as messaging, email, trail turn, sorry. We do have apps such as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and settings, personal profiles, Ford Assist, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is LA88869A, and you can head on in to PG Ford or give us a call.